Hello there everybody, it's Dr. Mitchell with Oro Valley Eyecare. Good to be here with you today. We're going to talk just a little bit about something that I see quite a bit of. I hear it a lot. Patients come into the office, my eyes are irritated. I have dry eyes. My eyes are itchy and red. Sometimes they'll say my eyes just run or tear, run down my cheek. I get up in the morning, I dab them off, it runs down my cheek. Dry eye is a problem. Now, dry eye is a term that we use, but it doesn't always mean that your eyes are dry. Sometimes you can just have a tear film issue, and that means that the tears may evaporate too quickly. Maybe you don't have enough oil in the tears. What happens then is your tears will evaporate, your brain senses that, and it produces a lot of the watery components of the tears, and it runs down your cheek. It's not a thick, healthy tear that stays on your eye. So when we're talking about dry eye, it's really several different types of tear film disorders. But here in Tucson and Oro Valley area in Arizona, first we have the dry climate. That's an issue. Another thing that patients will suffer from is allergies. That can be seasonal or throughout the year, but allergies will affect and compound, make dry eyes worse. And what we're trying to do is first figure out what's causing that, and then we try and address that more specifically. Sometimes it's not an easy thing. Sometimes there's several visits to get to do the best as far as treating that. Several times where you come in, we have some instruments that can test different parts of that, so we can look at your oil glands. We can measure the thickness of the tear layer, how quickly it evaporates. Those are some important baselines that we get, so as we treat you, we know what's working, if it's working, and make changes accordingly. So when you come into Oro Valley Eyecare, if you are suffering from some of these things, keep that in mind, that we want to make you more comfortable. We want to get your vision clear, not fluctuating, and help with some of those symptoms that you're having.